So I got this scary email. Apparently it is from Yahoo Mail, but it comes with this dodgy email domain at mail.coms.yahoo.net, which makes me very suspicious of this email as a scam. Obviously it knows my name, that's why it says Dear Bhupinder, but that information can be obtained very easily. And it gives this scary message saying your email account has been inactive for some time, and to ensure security we may need to deactivate it. And also this email has got many links in it. First of all, I suggest you not to click on any links because it can be a spam. However, it is still possible that this email is genuine, but in order to prevent your Yahoo Mail to get deactivated, you don't need to click on any links on this email. Instead, go to a browser, in the search type Yahoo Mail, then click on the link that says Yahoo Mail, enter your email ID, click on next. You might have to pass this I'm not a robot. Then enter your password, click on next, and then you should get signed in to your Yahoo Mail. Now that we have signed in to Yahoo Mail, your Yahoo Mail's account should not be deactivated anymore. It seems I have received the same email into my Yahoo account. So after clicking on it to open it, the email ID looks exactly the same. Another thing you can check is the time and date. I have received this email on 11th of August at 12:12 a.m. and when I compare it with my backup email message, that was also received on the same day, that is 11th of August, but just 1 minute later at 12:13 a.m. It helps me to trust this email a bit more, but still it's not enough for me to trust this email completely. If you go to Yahoo's help center, you can see that inactive mailboxes in Yahoo Mail will get deleted after 12 months. So there is such a thing that if you don't use your email for around 12 months, then you could lose your email and your email might get deleted. Back to Yahoo Mail, if you click on your profile's photo and click on account info and then select recent activity, you could approximately see when you last used your Yahoo Mail. For example, I have used my Yahoo Mail almost around 1 year ago. If you haven't logged into your account for around 12 months and then you get this email, then it might be legit. But again, you don't need to click on any links in that email. You can simply reactivate or prevent your mail from deactivating by simply logging in again to your Yahoo Mail. Another interesting article about identifying legitimate Yahoo websites, particularly Yahoo Communications, as mentioned in Yahoo's help center. To identify a legit Yahoo Mail, the email sent from Yahoo should have this unique icon next to the subject or sender. Obviously, it would only appear in a web-based email and not in third-party apps. So I don't expect it to appear in my Outlook where I got this email from. However, I expect it to appear to the same email that I received in my Yahoo Mail. You could see that icon doesn't exist in the subject, but there is this Yahoo logo in here at the top of the subject which says go to www.yahoo.com, and actually there is this icon before the sent email by Yahoo Mail, which matches what Yahoo was saying in order to identify genuine Yahoo emails. So I did a bit of more research online and somebody has asked the same question on Reddit. In one of the replies, one person says Yahoo doesn't work like that and it's most probably scam. But if you check another reply, which gives a very detailed answer, it gives some very important information, and that is after checking who is domain registry for coms.yahoo.net, it seems that this domain was registered by the same people that registered yahoo.com, but a year later in 1996. So what does that mean? That means now there is more chance that this email that we have received is legit, but I still can't say it for sure. So I still suggest you not to click on any links from that email, but I also suggest you to log in to your Yahoo Mail to prevent Yahoo Mail from getting deleted. Just to make things more confusing, later I received another email from Yahoo, which I know it is legit because it was me who signed in, but the email domain is completely different, which is from cc.yahoo-inc.com. So if the first email was legit, why does Yahoo uses two different email domains? Nevertheless, this is my conclusion. After all these investigations, I'm 75% sure that it's a legit email because of the following reasons. 1. I received the same email to my recovery email ID as well as Yahoo Mail account, and that the email was sent exactly at the same time. 2. At mail.coms.yahoo.net is registered by the same people that registered yahoo.com. 3. Links are transparent and they are directed to yahoo.com, mail.yahoo.com, or help.yahoo.com. 4th, my Yahoo Mail was in fact inactive for approximately 12 months. 5th, there is this Yahoo icon next to the send before opening the email in Yahoo Mail web version, and after opening the email there is Yahoo logo at the top with the button to visit yahoo.com. Nevertheless, after all these 5 points, I'm still suspicious about this email. If you think that it's not legit or that you would like to add something that I've missed, please mention that in the comments below. I've also made another video how to test a suspicious link without clicking. Also watch my video how to check if your Yahoo account has been hacked. You can find these videos on the screen and from the link in the description.